Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use OBS webcam on Discord. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To integrate your OBS webcam with Discord, complete the following steps. Having already installed the Start Virtual Camera feature for OBS on my PC, launch OBS Studio, navigate to the Sources section, click the plus button to add sources, select Video Capture, and click OK. Once you've identified your webcam device, confirm by clicking OK, adjust the webcam display as needed, and then click on Start Virtual Camera. Proceed to Discord and initiate the call on the server. Selecting to share your camera. Follow the prompts to choose the OBS virtual camera. Your OBS webcam feed will now be visible in Discord during video calls or meetings. Please note that the specific steps might vary based on the versions of OBS Studio on Discord, so check for any version-specific instructions. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.